Let's create a beautiful scene together. We'll start by drawing a house, two trees, a cloud, and the sun. Get your paper and coloring tools ready, and let's begin. First, let's draw the house. Sketch a rectangle for the main body of the house, with a triangle on top for the roof. Add a rectangle for the door and some squares for windows. Finally, draw a smaller square or rectangle on one side of the house for a chimney. And there you have it, a simple house made from shapes. Great job! Now, let's add some trees on each side of the house. Great job! Next, sketch a fluffy cloud in the sky. Draw some curved lines to give it shape. Finally, draw a big circle for the sun, shining bright in the sky. Now that we've drawn our scene, let's add some color to bring it to life. Color the house with your favorite colors. And for reference, I'm using pink color for the top roof triangle. Now I'm using orange color for the body of the house. Next, fill in the door with sea green. And finally, color the windows yellow. Let's start with a base of brown for the branches, and then add green for the leaves. Now, it's time to color the sun. Use a bright yellow to fill in the sun, making it shine brightly in the sky. Finally, now, let's color the cloud. And there you go, a simple house made from shapes. Well done! Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more creative content. Bye-bye! Hello kids! Are you ready to embark on a magical drawing adventure with 4 amazing shapes? Let's get started! First up, we have the square for sides, all equal in length. Just like the windows, can you draw a square? Great! Now let's move on to the circle, like a big, happy sun. And now let's tackle the triangle, 3 sides, 3 corners. Like a mountain. Last but not least, let's draw a star. 5 points shining bright, like twinkling stars in the night sky. Can you draw a star? Now let's color the square. Let's paint it yellow. Like the bright sunshine. Can you color the square yellow? Great job! Now, let's move on to the circle. Let's color it pink. Like a fluffy cotton candy cloud. Can you color the circle pink? You're doing fantastic! And now, let's tackle the triangle. Let's color it orange. Like a juicy, ripe tangerine. Can you color the triangle orange? You're a natural! Last but not least, let's color the star. Let's paint it blue. Like the vast, deep ocean. Can you color the star blue? Great job! Thank you for watching, and remember, there's no limit to what you can create. See you in the next video. Happy coloring!